Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Tuesday the 18th of March. We're going to look at dollar yen now, and certainly dollar yen is perceived by most as a very strong barometer of the of how risk appetite plays out in the markets. And once more, overnight, the strength has pushed back towards the yen. The yen on the day is now down. Is now sort of almost a third of a percent stronger against the dollar, with dollar yen pair lower by 0.33%. The support that came in yesterday at at 101.17, that maintains sort of a sideways trading band that you'd seen in this daily chart. There's not a huge amount that you can get off this daily chart at the moment, although you have got this big uptrend. As I said yesterday, you've got this big primary uptrend still in place, 200-day moving average rising. Much beyond that, everything else is fairly flat, so you'd say that this is still a consolidation within the big bull phase. On the intraday basis, as I said, you've got this nice low that came in, supported pretty much bang on 101.17. That is certainly encouraging, but overnight we've seen that rate fall over slightly and breach the lower high that we saw at 101.53. However, the low is now 101.50. There is what you could argue the possibility of a base pattern going on here, so watch out for that. That could have an impact on this chart in the coming hours, but you've got the recovery that's rolled over on these momentum indicators, which is slightly disappointing. Certainly, you've got the MACD lines that have now crossed over each other and beginning to decline again. The RSI is also back below where it had been through the recovery as well, so that is slightly corrective on all three, and the stochastics as well there, slightly corrective configuration in these momentum indicators on the hourly chart. You've also got the resistance of these moving averages. That's the 89-hour moving average, which is coming. So I think this 101.50 level could now become interesting, I think, on an intraday basis, which was the low early in trading today. And I think that is now going to be possibly used as a barometer for any sort of recovery in this chart. And if we can get this this base pattern that's been arguably forming, if that can now continue to form and build support above that 101.50 level, you might be able to start to think about a recovery in dollar yen. But until that happens, and certainly if 101.50 is breached again to the downside, I think that starts to suggest that we're going to be coming back towards these lows around 101.17 again. So just be careful of that. I wish you good luck in your trading on the dollar yen today. As I said, it is a barometer for risk appetite, so anything around 11 o'clock surrounding Vladimir Putin's speech could any sort of belligerence in his speech and suggestion that he's going to be increasingly ignoring any sort of sanctions or the impact of any sanctions would suggest that dollar yen could come under pressure once more to the downside. So, as I said, this is probably seen as a barometer in this whole risk appetite scenario that we're seeing playing out through the Crimean situation at the moment. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.